Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 25th, 2018, and our Blue Angel Sylvania bloom today. Let me show you what it looks like here. Now, yes, it is a little darker over here. One of my lights went down, unfortunately, so I have to get a replacement for it. Let me see if I can move this flower here towards here. There you go. So it's a very unique flower, very different. I'm not quite sure what it reminds me of, but I just wanted to show you what these look like because they did bloom for me. And I did trim some of my other ones. I'm probably going to trim these too because they're growing so tall. But very interesting flower. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.